Sometimes our file explorer hangs. So what to do in that situation? We'll simply open our task manager and we can see over there our Windows Explorer. Okay, so we'll just end this task. Okay, so let's go ahead and end this. Okay, let's see what happens. You can do this along with me. Okay. Oops. Don't worry, I have an idea. Simply press Ctrl Alt Delete and see the magic. So you can see this has appeared again. There we can go to the file, then click on Run New Task. We need to type in explorer.exe. So what is explorer.exe? This program controls the things we see in computer, like desktop area, taskbar, file explorer folders, etc. So if we end this program, then we cannot see anything or even the explorer or anything present in our computer. So now let's go ahead and type explorer.exe and click on OK. Let's see. See, the task manager has reappeared along with the taskbar and everything. Okay, my entire desktop is back. File Explorer is also in good condition. Okay, so what's the conclusion? You can use this trick to prank our friends or to resolve our issue. Sometimes due to virus, this can happen that not even our taskbar is visible on our computer screen. Okay, so we can now easily resolve this issue and force everything to appear on our screen. That's all for today. Let's meet with a new video on a new topic. Till then, happy pranking. Happy resolving the issue.